Hello, my name is Vikrant Rana. I am from Raipura village near Garonda in district Karnal. I have recently completed my graduation in BSc Non-Medical. After that, I took coaching at Western Overseas Karnal, in which I scored 6.5 band overall. Individually, I scored 7.5 in reading, 6.5 in listening and writing, and 6 bands in speaking. The staff of this institute is very humble. They are very sportive, and under their proper guidance, I scored 6.5 bands overall. And the environment is also very good. And the staff, as I said earlier, the staff is very humble and they are very sportive also. After that, there are also master class provided at the institute which are free of cost. If a student is facing any difficulty in clearing the IELTS examination, then he or she can take these classes which are very beneficial. There is also a facility which is known as reality test provided at the institute. If a student is facing problem in clearing the IELTS examination, then he or she can appear in those tests which cost around 700 rupees per student. They are very beneficial. Also, there is facility of online classes which is provided by the institute. Those students who are preparing for their IELTS examination and are facing this difficulty, I strictly recommend this institute because the staff is also certified by IDP.
Western Overseas, सपने आपके, जिम्मेदारी हमारी।